Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to automate therapy session bookings on WhatsApp. For example, let's say you are a therapist and you receive multiple session booking requests from your users at the same time. Handling and managing each request manually can be a time-consuming and confusing. So to solve this problem, we will automate the entire process by creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. And the best part is the creation of this amazing chatbot is complete in just 10 minutes. Yes, but before moving forward, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work in real time. For that, I am going to send message to my WhatsApp business account of Therapy Center. Here I am sending my first message as book session. As soon as I send the message, you will see that the bot instantly respond like this, that hi there, welcome to Mindy's Therapy. Please select the type of session you are interested in with one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of therapies, that is anxiety management, stress relief therapy and the sleep and wellness. Here I want to book a therapy for stress relief, so I am selecting this. Then it will ask me to share the date that when I would like to book the therapy session, so I am sharing one date. After that, it will ask me for my full name that I am going to share as test user. Next, it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number also. Once I send the contact number, then you can see I have received one customized confirmation message from my bot, which includes all the details that I have shared while communicating with my bot. That is my name as test user, contact numbers, session type that I have selected from the list as stress relief therapy, and the appointment date. So if you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your therapy centers, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chartflow. So this is the official page of Pabbly Chartflow. Pabbly Chartflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description below. You can check out. Now we will return to the landing page of Pabbly Chartflow. In this page, on the right hand side, you can see two options. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. These are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So I will click on this access now button. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. Here you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. You can also add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chartflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options. We have already created a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chartflow account of both of these steps. You can check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chartflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description box for the video link. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name as automate therapy session bookings on WhatsApp in just 10 minutes. On the left hand side, you can see two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side, there are two options. The one is active and active toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will becomes inactive and it will not work. And the other one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. So the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as book session. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here as therapy session. I added only 2 keywords here, but you can add more. Now when my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of Therapy Center, then automatically my bot gets trigger and reply to them. For that, I am selecting one list button from here. You can see that this list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case, I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the message in this enter body box that hi there, welcome to Mindy's Therapy. At the end of this message, I write that please select the type of session you are interested in. Now I want to add the list of therapy sessions. For that, I am clicking on this plus side section button where I am going to write the section title as session type. After that, I need to add the list with options. To do that, I am clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I am adding only 3 types of therapy sessions, but you can add more. See, here it is added, that is anxiety and management, stress relief therapy, sleep and wellness. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is this trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. You can also write the description in this enter description box if you want to. Here, whenever my user will select the session type, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and selecting the button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as session type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is anxiety management. Then I am connecting this circle to this message. Here I write this anxiety management in this enter value box because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this session type. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving anywhere, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and click on this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, etc. Here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of session type, so I am not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field not for this session type. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field node here for each of these session type. Here I have done, you can see I use the same contact custom field, that is the session type, but I only change the value because at the end this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Here when my user will select the session type, then my bot will respond to them by asking them to share the date that when they would like to book a therapy session. For that, I am adding one ask question button by dragging it here and writing my question in this enter message box. As please share your preferred date for the session. For that, I am going to select the contact custom field as appointment date. After that, the format I select as date, then the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have right here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you respond in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempts for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempts, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. See, it is connected. Now when my user will provide me the appointment date, then my bot will ask them to share their full name and their contact number. For that, I am going to do the same that I have done here, means I am adding 2 more question nodes in this flow. Here I added where in this question box I ask my user to share their full name. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I select as text, then the number of attempts I'll give as 0. Then lastly, I ask my user to share their contact number. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format I select as number. Then I entered minimum minimum and maximum value in both of these boxes as 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. You can also use these default value for the number format. After that, I connected all the questions to each other. Now when my user will select the therapy session, provide me the appointment date, their name and their contact number, then at last my bot will provide one customized confirmation message to my users, which includes their name, contact number, date of booking the appointment and the session type that they were selected from the list. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and adding the button as text button. Drag this box here where I am going to write my respond message in this enter message box. As your therapy session is confirmed, here are your details: name with dollar symbol, full name, contact number, session type and the appointment date. It is visible that I have used a dollar symbol before some fields because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field, not full name, my bot will automatically capture my user's response and mention their name in this place. This is same for all the rest of these contact custom fields. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. It is connected. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate therapy session bookings on WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties while creating this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this flow in the description below. You can check out. I created this WhatsApp chatbot as a test example, but you can make the changes in it completely based on your choice. This automated chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this without you doing any manual effort, and this will only made possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.